I was asked by somebody what I use to record the menus in my Nikon Z9. And I put together this little video and shows all the pieces that I have. Of course, I have the camera and the lens, the Atomos Ninja 5, a mounting bracket that allows for quick release, a small rig mount that connects the hot shoe to the quick release mount of the previous part, and the HDMI cable. You're also going to need a hard drive to put inside your Atomos Ninja. On the side of the Atomos, you have an HDMI in and an HDMI out. Obviously, you want to connect to the HDMI in here and to the HDMI out in the camera. Once all of this is connected together, whatever you see on the back of your LCD screen on your camera is what's going to be seen in the device above. So if you're taking photographs and you're in a photograph menu, you're going to see your entire screen, menus, settings, all of that. If you are in video mode, then it will record without all the overlay on top of it, so you get a nice clean video of your kids' games, events, ballet, whatever. Okay, let's look at how all this goes together. We have our HDMI cable. This is a 1 terabyte Western Digital SSD. The Ninja, and it is connected with the mount. And I use this basically as a quick release. You can connect the bottom of this directly into the Atomos, but I'd rather have it as a quick release for easy putting on and taking off. They just connect together like that. And then this just goes into my hot shoe, and I can tighten it down. Connect the battery. And that's the hard drive battery. The hard drive. The battery is actually over here. And then into the HDMI in. And then the HDMI in on the camera. And if you buy one of these curly bracket ones, it gives you a nice little playroom. And then they will set up so that you don't actually have to flip it upside down, or they'll go in like this nice and easy. And you're good to go. You don't need to actually do anything else. And then once it's on, the Atomos Ninja will actually just record whatever is on your screen. And it has a nice little touchscreen feature, so you can just record. It starts recording, and you can turn it off.